Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you day 2 of the Black Friday specials, and we're already exhausted.
I was going to say, little behind the scenes. We're actually filming this a little in the past, so we're not 100% sure how it's gone. What do you reckon? Do you reckon it will have gone insane?
I reckon I'm already exhausted.
Yeah.
We haven't even Black Friday yet, so this is a done deal.
Hopefully things went smoothly. We've got day 2 of our Black Friday deals. We've got some more silver coins.
We do. So these are Royal Australian Mint production.
Yes.
2020 Beneath the Southern Skies.
Yes, a series we've had through previously. It was super cool. But we won't be doing them at that price. We'll be doing a lot cheaper.
We don't. Believe it or not, I still can't believe we're doing them at this price, but because the premium on these is flipping huge these days. It's $15 to $20.
Well, that is one of the downsides we typically see with some of the RAM products through, is they are a little bit pricier than some of the Perth Mint ones.
Yeah, so this time round we're doing these at $5 over spot, and you can see, I can't see because I haven't got my glasses on, you can see there's a little kangaroo there. So these are the kangaroo ones.
Yep.
Yes, it is the kangaroo for a second there. Or maybe I've got to change my prescription. I'm getting really tired and old. So these were meant to be a production. They were going to do all like different animals from all around Australia. They only ever did the 2. They did the platypus and the kangaroo, and then they stopped the production there, which was a bit sad because I actually really like this series. One of the last designs out of from Stuart Devlin. Fantastic coin. I can't believe we're doing them at $5 over. I'm having conniptions over this one, but that's okay. Grab them while you can. They won't stick around for very long.
There will be potentially some more up on the Black Friday page up on our website, so I'll also put a link to that in the description below, and we will see you tomorrow for another deal.
Sounds good. See you soon.